Hello, and thank you for your interest in Unity Classical Charter School. My name is Sheila Goad, and I'm the head of this school. Here, we prize ourselves in being that private school feel, but at a public school price. That means we're tuition free. We accomplish this by providing rigorous academics for the whole child. That's personal attention to each student, and we do that by creating strong partnerships with our parents as well as with our student and the teachers and our faculty. At our school, we believe learning should be fun, stimulating, meaningful. The Unity student exudes integrity. They have a joy for community service. They represent values, and they live those values. A Unity student loves, appreciates, and respects life as well as the process of learning. We understand here at Unity that this is a choice on how to think and how to approach life. We promise a rigorous, standards-based, systematic approach utilizing our curriculum. We promise to provide personalized learning plans and assessments for our students, and to provide student experiences that develop and encourage creativity and collaboration and communication with each other and with our staff, our teachers. And we do all of this in a warm and nurturing learning environment. I encourage you to check out our website at unityclassical.org. Thank you so much for your interest in our school.